So today we are going to have a look at the JBL Flip 4. So let's get unboxing. So as you can see the Flip 4 box, and the price quoted here is 9,999, but I got this speaker for 8,286 from Tata Chroma. Some details mentioned: the Smart Connect Plus feature, which lets you pair another JBL speaker with this speaker. Again the Smart Connect, and this box comes with a magnetic side. Very premium packaging, I would say, and some JBL branding. Here there's the Flip 4 documentations, which I know most of you aren't interested in. And here we have the JBL branded micro USB cable, which will be used for charging this device. And there's JBL branded the flat style micro USB cable, which is of pretty good quality. And we have the Flip 4 here itself. On the top we get the Bluetooth pairing button, volume down, volume up, play pause button, the button for the Smart Connect Plus, the power button, and here on powering on we have the battery indicators, and this is the tab. On pulling out we get the micro USB port and the aux in jack. So the two connection methods to this speaker are Bluetooth and the mini jack cable, which you have to purchase separately and is not included in this package. Here they have given a strap using which we can hang this device, and this device can be placed like this. And we have two woofers on the left and the right. JBL branding. Now let's take a look at the audio quality on this device. The audio recorded at my end and played in your speakers or earphones may show high variations. So coming to my verdict on the JBL Flip 4, the JBL Flip 4 is a great speaker in its price bracket. There is no other competitor offering such sound quality in this price. If you are looking for a cheaper version, you can go for the Sony XB20, which has extra features like NFC, direct USB input and micro SD card. But the better sound quality is offered by the JBL Flip 4. So I would recommend, if you have the money and your use is in-house parties and casual listening, please go for the JBL Flip 4. According to my needs, I didn't find any negativities in this speaker. Coming to the battery life is great. It lasts for 6 hours on 75% of volume, and it takes roughly 3 to 4 hours for charging. Thank you for watching All Review TV. Till then, stay subscribed and keep watching. I'm editing the video and I realized that I forgot to mention the fact that the JBL Flip 4 has excellent build quality and it is waterproof and dustproof.